look at how we can run a strategy over a group of stocks. And this is going to tie in. Just hang in there with me. So if we're going to backtest, at the moment, you can't backtest one strategy over a group of stocks. This is high on our priority list. So stay tuned for that. But there is quite an easy way we can do it. So let's create another strategy and let's use Tesla again, the RSI. And this time we're going to use an RSI, just the calculation over 14. We're going to use a 1 hour. And let's just go, we'll just go really basic. Crosses below 35, then buy 10 Tesla. Well, let's go buy 100 Tesla rather. Just prefer to keep it in the 100. Okay, great. So we've got a very basic rudimentary strategy. Most of you know it. If the RSI crosses below 30, it's generally oversold. If it crosses above 70, it's generally overbought. And we're going to backtest the strategy over a couple of stocks. And let's see the performance and let's see how quick we can do. And what we'll do is we'll just go close position at trailing stop of 1%. Okay. Great. So we're going to backtest that strategy. And when I'm backtesting, I don't normally edit or rerun the backtest. Once it's run, I let it run. And when I want to create something similar, I go clone. And once you clone, it's just a copy and paste. So let's run this over FB. And you guys will notice that all the words that are in bold, you can change with a click. So if you want to change strategies very quickly, you can just click on them and find them and run. So that's our second one that we've done. And guys, remember, while it's running, you can click there and clone. And let's go for our third one. Let's go, okay, Tesla, Facebook, let's do Google. Okay. Okay, awesome. Okay, so that didn't even take a minute. And we've already got 3 back tests running of the same strategy, just over a different group of stocks. So let's have a look at what our strategy. And when you go to my strategy page, you go live, you got stops, and then back test. And obviously we want the back test. Okay, so we've got here, these 3 strategies are all the same. They've run over the same group of stocks. And the results in 2 of them are in green, not that great. And the others are, there's one in the red, and then that's the first strategy. And guys, I'm going to show you how we're going to better these strategies. I'm going to show you how we can refine and how easy it is with Capitalise to do that.